Dear students, let's learn how to interpret experimental results using Excel. This guide will help you visualize and analyze your data effectively, and you can compare it with your handmade one. Let's first open Excel. Choose a new blank document. In Excel, select two columns for your data. For example, column A for X values and column B for Y values. Input your experimental results into these columns. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for X column, and Y I put some random numbers that contains fractions to be more real. We here try to input some Y values. After that we will select these data by using the mouse. To highlight any data or range, click and drag your mouse to select them. Okay. You may like to adjust the font or make it centered as you wish. Then we choose Insert and go to XY Scatter. You may increase the area. You wish to increase the area of the graph. Okay. Right click on any one of the points and choose Add Trendline. As you see, it is a straight line. From the right panel, choose Set Intercept at 0 and also choose Display Equation on Chart and Display R squared value. Here's the values you choose to appear on the chart. I will increase the font. Okay, the first line is the equation of the straight line. This number represents the slope of the straight line, and the other line, the second line, contains the r squared value. It is 0.99 near to 1, so the fitting is good. Here we need to go backward to go to the 0. Okay, so it is one cell, we write 1. Okay, because it needs to go back one cell, one square. Cell here means square or period. We will try to calculate the slope using the table only, without the graph, and compare it with the slope obtained from the graph. We write equal slope, then choose first we choose the y values, okay, then comma, and choose the x values. We press enter. I will try to make it clear. And increase the font also. Yes, it is clear now. 2.06 is the slope is 2.06. Okay. If you compare it with the graph, the slope is 2.05. They almost equal. Thank you.